Hello, my name is Dr. Miraj Khan. I am the co-founder and CEO of DigiBiomics, a Canadian health tech company focused on transforming respiratory care. My background is in translational medicine and respiratory disease research, with more than 15 years of experience spanning Secrets Hospital, University of Toronto, and the healthcare industry. Throughout my career, I have seen firsthand how delayed diagnosis often leads to poor outcomes, unnecessary hospitalization, and increased healthcare costs. The idea for lung sense emerged from my years of respiratory research and my experience seeing patients whose conditions could have been managed far earlier if clinicians had access to simple, objective screening tools. Let me start with a simple question. If someone develops a cough today, like simple cough, can we confidently determine whether it is a common cold or something more serious like pneumonia, COPD, or tuberculosis? In most cases, we cannot. Millions of patients experience delays in diagnosis because respiratory assessment often requires access to specialized tests and lung specialists. As a result, detection happens too late with frequent misdiagnosis, leading to avoidable emergency visit and hospitalization. This challenge is especially significant in aging population, long-term care facilities, remote communities, and regions facing healthcare workforce shortage. To address this problem, we asked a simple question. What if detecting lung disease could be as easy as recording a cough into your phone? That's exactly our product Lung Sense does. Lung Sense combines cough and breathing acoustics, clinical symptoms, and medical imaging into a multimodal AI platform that can provide respiratory risk assessment and triage recommendations within seconds. LungSense shifts respiratory care from reactive to proactive, improving outcomes for patients, clinicians, and payers alike. Our mobile app is already in piloting, while acoustic capturing device is in prototype. Both are covered by patents pending in the US and Canada, covering the hardware design, acoustic methodology, and AI triage layer. We have secured around $500,000 in non-dilutive funding. In addition to our Canadian pilots, we have established clinical collaboration in India to support validation in patients' populations and healthcare environments. Hong Kong is the strategic hub for our Asia expansion. Its unique combination for healthcare excellence, innovation infrastructure, and access to mainland China makes it the ideal launchpad for our next phase of growth. The GBA corridor makes Hong Kong the natural regulatory and commercial bridge into the market. Through this soft landing program, DigiBiomics aims to establish clinical partnership in Hong Kong to validate lung sense across diverse Asian patient populations and build the commercial relationship that will support our expansion across Hong Kong, mainland China, and neighboring markets, including India, Singapore, and Malaysia. Hong Kong provides a strategic gateway into Asia Pacific healthcare. We are looking for three things in Hong Kong: clinical pilots, strategic partnership, and investors and commercialization support to scale what is already working into the world's largest unserved respiratory market. Across Asia Pacific, hundreds of millions of patients remain at the risk of delayed respiratory diagnosis. We believe early detection should be accessible, affordable, and available at the point of care. LungSense was built to make that possible. We look forward to bring that vision to Hong Kong through HKSTP. Thank you for your consideration.